I'm going to show you how to put together your brand new Eureka WhirlWind canister vacuum cleaner. It's very easy. So these are all the parts that it comes with. And you just take this and you're just going to place it in here. There's only one way to do it. Just make sure this part is on top. It's the only way to go in. So just place it right in there and until it snaps into place. Super easy. To the hose, you are going to attach the telescopic wand. If it's in this position, you just need to move it out of the way. So just press and then slide and then it's out of the way. And now you can just attach this part, this side. So it goes in this side, snap it into place, and then you just attach this to that and snap it into place. So super easy. That's how you put together your new Eureka WhirlWind canister vacuum cleaner.